Learn Czech fast. Where is equals.
Kde je?
Welcome aboard. Hey traveler, this episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and bite-size wins. Ready to laugh, learn, and ask directions like a pro? Picture it. You, a heroic wanderer, holding coffee like a compass, whispering.
Kde je?
As if summoning directions. Today we'll nail, where is, so you never accidentally ask a statue for help again. Your goal today. Let's keep it simple and powerful, one phrase, many victories. Master the question. Where is equals.
Kde je?
Know the polite opener.
Promiňte.
Excuse me. Use it with key places.
Toaleta. Nádraží. Hotel.
Level up with plural. Where are equals.
Kde jsou?
Say it right. You've got this. Tiny tune, big memory. Repeat after me.
Kde je?
Think. Kde. Short, clear, friendly. Rhythm trick.
Kde je?
Clap. Clap. Keep it snappy. Singular versus plural.
Kde je?
One place.
Kde jsou?
Multiple places. Opposite idea. Instead of asking where, you might hear.
Tady to je.
Here it is. Mini dialogue. Act it out with me. Your lines are the star of the show. You.
Promiňte.
Local.
Ano.
You.
Kde je? Nádraží.
Local.
Rovně a pak doleva.
Straight ahead and then left. Narrator. You stride off like a legend who found level 2 on the map. Lightning drills. Rapid fire practice. Say it out loud and keep it playful. Echo me.
Kde je? Toaleta.
Where is the bathroom? Again.
Kde je? Hotel.
Where is the hotel? Travel classic.
Kde je? Nádraží.
Where is the train station? Plural booster.
Kde jsou? Toalety.
Where are the restrooms? Confidence finisher. Full polite ask.
Promiňte. Kde je? Toaleta.
Culture tip. Polite and clear. A little kindness opens doors, and sometimes bathroom doors faster. Start with.
Dobrý den.
Good day, or.
Promiňte.
Excuse me, smile, and point at a map or sign when possible. Keep the question short.
Kde je? Hotel.
Then listen. Czechs often answer simply and point. Maybe.
Rovně a pak doleva.
Quick quiz. You're on the hot seat. Shout the answers before I reveal them. Q1. How do you ask, where is, in Czech? A.
Kde je?
Q2. You want to be polite. What's, excuse me? A.
Promiňte.
Q3. Say, where is the train station? A.
Kde je? Nádraží.
Q4. Plural time. Where are the restrooms? A.
Kde jsou? Toalety.
Q5. Bonus. If someone points and says, here it is, what might you hear? A.
Tady to je.
Street challenge and goodbye. Time to lock it in. Tiny mission, big confidence. Your challenge. Pick 3 places and ask out loud.
Kde je? Toaleta. Kde je? Hotel. Kde je? Nádraží.
Add.
Promiňte.
For maximum charm. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing daily, smile when you ask, and you'll get answers and directions fast. For more lessons and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com.